All right. We are continuing to build our community cloud, and this part we are going to add branding and components to our community. So the first step, we are going to update the headline and change the title and the banner text to this too. So I'm going to copy the title first over here. I am going to go ahead to my Trailhead Playground, and you can search for communities here and click on here, all your communities, and then click on Builder here. It will pop up on a new tab or window, and then we are going to modify the header, the headline. So click on this plus icon. Let me crank this up a bit so you can see a bit larger there. So I'm going to click here, and the title would be Category 1 Biking, and the banner text, Welcome to the Community. This one, and change the banner text, and that's it. So I'm going to close that. You can see it's changing in real time. Category 1 Biking, welcome to the community. Moving on. Next, we are going to update the theme. So click on the theme icon here. We can see that we can adjust the colors if you want to. And then we are going to upload the header image from the zip file you have downloaded from the previous section of the Trailhead. And that's how we can update the header. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go here and go to theme over here. Here is where you can change colors. I'm going to keep it as it is for now, which is already looking good, so I'm not gonna change any color. But if you want to, you can just click here and choose a new color. All right, any of these, text color, detailed text color, and so on. So I'm going to go back, click on the arrow there, and go to image. I'm going to upload the header image here. Click on there. I'm going to upload a new one, which is from my computer. Here's the header.jpg, and I'm going to open that. Looking cool, right? Look at that header, nice. So I'm going to close this, and we are done for updating the header. Now, let's move on. Update the navigation menu. So to update the navigation menu, we click on there. We want to add a new menu item, which is case, and then use my open cases. Okay, to do that, back to our builder, click on our menu here, right? And then click edit default navigation. Here you can add a menu item. So it can be multiple options. You can add a new community page, which you can create a blank page from scratch, an event, an external URL, global action, menu label, navigational topic, Salesforce object, system link. Okay, this is too much and too deep if we want to discuss it each and every one. But we are going to stick with the trail, and I'm going to choose Salesforce object. Basically, we want to list the open cases, right? So when somebody logs in, say our customers log into this community portal, they can see their open cases, their existing ticket, support ticket, sales ticket, or a billing ticket. Now I'm going to change this to case. My open cases. So the cases that are still open for the customers who are logging in. All right. So save menu. Now you have a new menu item here. I should have changed that to my open cases. That's what we want, right? I just want to make sure. Cases, not my open cases. we have to match it. So whenever we are verifying this challenge or this project, it's going to be correct. Okay, so cases. All right, so we've done that one. Now moving on, add the chat snap in and article component. So this is the components icon. First, let's add the embedded surface chat. So back to our builder over here, components, which is this one here, and then if I search for chat, this one, and I'm going to drag this to the right over here in the sidebar. Boom. So okay, we will fix this on the next step. Okay, I'm gonna hit OK for now. Okay, and hit OK again. So let's see what we need to customize over here. So enter embedded surface chat and then select embedded surface chat and drag it to the right, which we have done, and then you can see this popping up. Right click OK, and then click the component. Okay, so we don't need to customize anything here. All right, so I'm going to go back to the builder. So this is already good, chat agent, so leave everything as is, so we don't need to change the labels or anything, but you can see that you can, if you want to change the button label for the chat. What if it's offline, meaning no agent, no staff is logged in to accept any incoming chat request? What should it say here? If offline support, nobody is available, do you want to use a contact us form, or however you want to customize this further? We won't be going too deep in here as well, because there is a lot of options you can do. So basically I'm going to X out of here. So we have that. Next we want to add our articles. So we are going to go to components again, and then trending articles by topic, and then drag that below the chat. Go to builder and then go to components over here. So basically any components you want to use here, you can drag it. There's a lot, right? There's analytics, you can put reports, dashboards there, content, you can have calendar, CMS stuff. Look at this, even raw HTML you can put there, other stuff, feeds, files, gamification, messages, records, and then sales stuff, support stuff, topics, and then get more on the App Exchange. So if you want to add stuff that is fancy and you don't see it here, and you can search the App Exchange if other developers have created apps for specifically for the community cloud, and you can click here, find it, and add it to your community cloud. All right, we are going to find for article, right? Topic article, trending articles by topic. So I'm going to drag this to the right, just below the chat. So this is the chat, this is the articles. All right, so do we have to customize it, change the name or anything? No, that's basically it. So I'm going to go back to my builder. So it's just going to say trending articles. You can also change this, and you can display how many articles you want to display. You can change that if you want. I'm going to click here, X that. Now we are going to fix that security error or warning when we drag the chat, the embedded surface chat. To do that, as instructed over here, click on security, and then we have to allow that restricted access. Back to the builder, I'm going to click on settings here, and then under security, you want to change your security level from strict to relax. Permit access to inline scripts and allowed host, and you hit allow over here. Okay, Now, this pops up. We need to copy the domain part here. I'm going to copy this, okay? Copy that. Make sure you get that so that you don't lose it. I'm going to paste it here just to make sure I get it on my clipboard on my computer. So I'm going to hit OK and hit OK again. And I'm going to add trusted site. Trusted site. I'm going to paste that and name this. What do we need to name it again here? Chat here. Chat, right? I'm going to name the trusted site chat and make it active. Add site. There we have it. So this baby is ready to go, ready to rock and roll. Agent offline, see? Now, if you have an agent, or you can log in yourself as a chat agent, which is an entirely different discussion, different trail, so to speak. This will change to a chat agent is online, or however we set it up. And then people who are logged into your community can chat. Okay, so when they start the chat, they will your staff or you will know who is chatting with you without them having to tell you they're who are they, because they're already logged in if they're logged in. Okay, so that's it. You can hit preview to take a look how it's going to look like that. All right, pretty cool. We get some header going on, title change, cases menu over here, chat snap in, and then trending topics, our 3 articles. When is a T800 coming out? How can I find local bike groups? Cool, right? So I'm going to go back to Builder and publish. Publish your experience. Bada bing, bada boom. So this could take a while. So we want to make sure this is published. We are publishing your changes now. You will receive an email confirmation when your changes are live. So once you get that email confirmation, I don't know how many minutes, then you can verify your challenge here. So I think it shouldn't take that long because it's a simple community. There is not much going on here. Usually it takes a few seconds if it's not much going on, but if you have so many stuff going on over in your community cloud, it can take a few minutes. So I'm gonna just check and verify my steps here. So I can see you on the next section, the last part of this project, trying out our new community. Awesomeness. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.